Hello again everybody, and this is a tutorial for my color changing card version 2. Oh, sorry, my computer screen. Okay, done. And we're going to select a card from the whole blue deck. In this case, I'm going to select the Nine of Hearts. Alright, in order to save time, I don't need to do this and that. And you go through the whole red deck and take out the Nine of Hearts, the identical red card to the blue card. So you have two Nine of Hearts right here. One is the red and one is the blue. I suggest you use bicycle deck for this trick because it's more useful this way, as there's a white lining right here. Well, I don't know whether you get it or not, but it doesn't matter. And what you're going to do for the setup is you're going to put the first red color Nine of Hearts on the bottom of the deck, followed by the blue Nine of Hearts. So it's the blue Nine of Hearts and the red Nine of Hearts, and following the whole deck. Right? You can put the card into the whole deck into the box, and you are ready to go. And you say, okay, good morning, and you may choose a card right here. For example, you choose the King of Diamonds as shown in the performance, or not. I forget already, but never mind. You're going to set the card on top of the whole deck. You're going to cut the deck. With this, your whole trick is done, because the blue deck is really in the middle of the deck. And you can say, I'm going to flick my finger and spread out the deck like this. And the card that is pressing on top of the blue card is the red color Nine of Hearts. The blue card is the blue color Nine of Hearts. And the blue card is pressing on on top, right on top on the audience card. Alright? So knowing this, you're going to take all the cards that is on top of the blue deck onto your hand. Now, while you're doing this, you are forcing the red Nine of Hearts onto the bottom of the whole 52 cards in the deck. And you square these cards up and put these on top of the cards on your hand. So, it's the blue Nine of Hearts followed by the red King of Hearts. And all the way to the last card is the red Nine of Hearts. We're not going to let them see the real blue of cards. However, we're going to do the double lift on these two cards. Well, if you're not good, you can show them one more time that and say, okay, this is only one blue card on the whole deck that is in blue color. While you're doing this, you can catch a break, or you can do this. While you're scrolling up the deck, you can do a pinky break on top of the two cards. But if you're good, you can straight away do a double lift. If you're good, you can do a double lift right straight away. But not good, you show them their card. So again, show them, okay, only one card. You make a pinky break on the top of the two cards. You take them as one and bend a little bit. Show them that this is their card, the blue color one. I'm not going to set down this because it's a double lift. Instead, going to put on the deck and take the real blue card and set it down on the table. And you say, okay, since I have a blue card here, I'm going to show you one more time. Or you can say, okay, I'm going to show you one more time and see if it works again, right? And you do the Hindu shuffle, but don't disturb the order of the last card, and tell them to stop whenever you like. For example, this is stop right here, and you say, you memorize this card. Well, you're forcing them to memorize this card, so, and you can put the card in there, and you say, you can flick the card, flick your hands, and your card has magically turned into blue card again. See, check, make sure you go through all the whole deck, and you see, okay, see, it's all the card. Hey, where's the blue card? Well, you see, don't be surprised the blue card is right here, and you'll be amazed. So thanks for watching, and I will see you.